The importance of the fridge, we can put in different places like homes, schools, hospitals, and hotels to keep our meal in good condition. We have named our project that is refrigerator. This project have two main parts. Lower part, which is called tinkering and making, and upper part, which is called coding. The lower part, you have used many materials. Some of them are motor, which turns fans to rotate, and the fans blows air into the refrigerator. And you have used dry cells. Also, you have used the cardboards to make the walls of the refrigerator. We have used also jumper wires where energy passes or flows. We have used the ultrasonic sensor, which is used to sense a person who is coming near the fridge to use it. We have used servo motor, used to make some angle to open automatically. And we have used Arduino Uno. We connect on digital pin on the number you want on the sensor. We also added switches to switch on or off the dry cells. We used in upper part, which is coding. When you switch on you coming near the sensor senses you and it opens itself automatically. When the fridge opens, you can put your drinks or your meat, your fruits and your meat to avoid decaying. And after a few minutes, you can take your drink or your fruits, then you drink or you eat.